Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade heroes in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so heroes are the core of your power. They lead your armies, gather resources faster, and give huge buffs. You can upgrade your heroes in several different ways. So this can be either by leveling up, enhancing, ranking up, which is stars, or upgrading the skills. So what we first want to do is open up your hero tab in your game. So it's down in the bottom right hand corner of the page. Now we've got your heroes are going to be on the top here, and then not yet summoned down below. But what we will need to do is focus on the heroes that you've got. So I'm going to click on to either, click on to details. Now in order to upgrade him, you can see mine's level 8 out of 60, and it's going to show you 8,200 out of 14,000. So click on the little plus icon. Now to upgrade the hero, you're going to get these hero experience as you progress through the game. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use, say two of these, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on, it says 10,000 hero experience, increase the level of the hero, grants 10,000 hero experience. So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK, and you can see it has been successfully used and it's been leveled up to level 9. So I'm just going to use two more here. So you see here level 9 and level 10. I'm going to click OK. So it's going to go out and said it's successfully used. So now I'm level 10. Now if I go back here, I'm going to hero up Lindy. I've just recently got her. I'm going to go to details, and again I'm going to go and click on the plus. Now I'm going to use two of them, so 20,000 hero experience. So it's going to go level 1 to level 9. I'm going to click OK. And then you can see I've basically skipped all those levels as I upgraded my hero. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the rest on her. So I'm going to click OK. So it's going to go from level 9 to 11. Now if I click the cross, we can come back here. Now we've got stars. We can go ahead and increase these two. So this is in a talent pool. So you want to go ahead and add talents. So I said lumber gathering. So we want to increase your deployed troops lumber gathering efficiency by 0.25%. So we can upgrade here. And you can see how many of these we've got. So if I just put a point in each. So now food gathering. Now I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to do the same for either. So I'm going to click on either, click details, and then click on the star. And now I want to go ahead and upgrade, say, the pikeman attacks. I want to upgrade this. And now I want to do archer attacks. I want to upgrade this. Now I don't have enough because I've used up all of them. And also we've got the skill talent here, so we can upgrade as well the skills. So I click on upgrade. But for me, I've got no more skill experience items left. Once your hero reaches level 20, go to the Hall of Valor to summon skills and obtain more skill experience items. So okay, so I'm going to click out of that.